Okay, I was just doing a little test recording to make sure mic levels are fine, and oh my god. It's a Gligar. What the fuck? There's a oh, we're not even at the raid. Where did that pop up at? Is it down there? What the fuck? Is it up here? It's gotta be up here, right? Yeah, it's up here. Oh my god, it was at the raid. Fuck yeah, let's go. No, you jumped in the way. Oh, please stay in the ball. Please stay in the ball. Shiny Gligar looks so good. Let's go. Okay, well, I think that was a good test recording for sound. Oh, yeah, you look good. Kind of tiny. Look at him, though. He's cute.